Thanks for checking out our DashSkin video install guide for Chevy and GMC trucks years 07 through 13 with the dual glove box style dash. To ensure you order the correct color, find your trim code located inside your glove box and compare it with our trim code guide. To start, let's clean the original dash using a commercial grade degreaser, such as Zep Purple, Purple Power, or Simple Green. Next, let's dry fit your cover to verify alignment and fitment and plan where weights will need to go. We recommend applying silicone to any existing cracks on your dash, as well as outlining any holes in your original dash. Next, let's apply silicone to the underside of the dash skin, using the same pattern illustrated in your install guide. Now we're ready to install. Carefully place your dash skin on the original dash and go over any seams and edges and make sure that everything lines up perfectly before applying your weights. Since we can't get weights up by the windshield, simply take some rags and roll them up and push them between the windshield and the dash. This will apply even pressure across so the silicone can cure. Now let's apply the weights evenly across the entire dash. You can use sandbags, reams of printer paper, or even phone books. For the front surfaces, we use a telescoping prop rod to apply pressure. Alternatively, you can use a piece of PVC or wood cut to length with a rag on each end. Now let's close the pieces of foam that were included with your order between the door and the side of the dash. With so many options when shopping online, thank you for choosing DashSkin, where all our products are and always will be made right here in the USA.